And we're live in 3, 2, 1.
That's not how you started.
How's it going, guys? It's Subaru.
How's it going, guys? This is Subaru.
What is up, guys? So today we're gonna be taking off Danny's flares. Why? Because John Lennon left the Beatles.
Yes, guys, it is time for me to remove my flares. It's been a long time since I haven't removed my flares, and today we're gonna get to that. Now, on a serious note, guys, we are going to be uninstalling my flares today. We're gonna be getting rid of the black wrap on the mirrors and the black wrap on top of here. I just want to get everything off the car so that when it goes into paint, everything is good to go. Makes the job easier for the painter. Holy shit.
Is it ghetto?
Oh fuck, I don't know. It kind of... It's not really turning. You think so? Dude, that's it. Holy fuck.
Fitment is off.
Oh, cause rally, buddy. When you rally your car, take it on the dirt, and use it for what it's meant for. You wouldn't know, Uncle.
The only dirt you take it on is your driveway, buddy.
You wouldn't know, Camber gang. So I got this first one out. The reason why I don't like using these, or I'm not gonna use these anymore, is because these have been getting kind of stuck inside of here, and they're almost kind of like stripping away. So I'm glad I'm not using these anymore. While I do this, Josh is already getting started on the mirror, which is coming off fairly easy. Ungo's getting the other side done. And there's Marco doing
Pretending
to do something. Damn. Dude, it's gonna look so different without the wrap.
It is. Let's just leave it like that.
I actually thought there'd be more adhesive like staying on the roof, but it's not bad. So I actually just realized that the bolts aren't actually stripping. If not, what's happening back here is, if you guys can see that rivet in there, so when the bolt goes through the flare and then through the rivet, it's actually spinning the rivet when I'm trying to bring it out, so it's making it super difficult to actually pull it out. So I'm gonna try using these vice grips, maybe holding the rivet on the back. It's just a little difficult because that rivet is rounded. That right there is my heat gun, buddy.
Ew, you use that anymore? Dude, it looks like you stole it from a hotel.
Time to bust out the fake heat gun, guys, because... Fucking terrible work. That's all I gotta say.
Is that water coming out of there?
Dude, it is, huh? You see it dripping?
Yeah. Look, it's all over you.
What the fuck? Oh, it smells weird. Look at that, guys. Look at all those little rocks in there, dirt. This is why I'm molding this piece, to ensure that no rocks or anything ever get in here to scratch up the paint.
Fuck you.
How's the roof coming along, ladies?
It looks, yeah, it looks bald. Ugh. That's weird. I don't like it.
Ongo.
Mira. Damn.
This is a special wrap that we do here at Super Troops. So it's an anti-theft protection plan. So you just wrap your door handle at night, and they can't open your car.
They can smash your windows.
We had to resort to the one thing I didn't want to do, which is take off the wheel, but unfortunately that thing just keeps spinning. So we're gonna try and get some vice grips behind it, try and hold it, and then spin it off. See, I think that axle, I didn't find it, but see all that grease?
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't find a rip in it, or a torn boot.
How's it coming along, ladies?
It's fucking tough. Dude, that's like locked in.
Are you sure you're not holding the screw, Danny?
No. Dude, that was so much harder than I expected. So what I ended up doing is just pulling the flare off because these things are actually stuck in there. So I think the painter's gonna end up just cutting them out. But luckily it didn't damage the flare too much. I just punched them right through. And that can always get fixed when they paint it. So this side's off. Now we just gotta get the other side off, which should be fairly easy. So I'm just pulling them off at this point. Got the flares off. Dude, once I took these off, damn, I realized how bad these flares were. Like the cuts here, everything is rusted under here. It's just a really bad job. This hole is fucking huge. Look at that, dude. It's fucking huge. So, I don't know, I'm still nervous to see what this guy's gonna do with them. Because I could see the amount of work that's needed, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see what he does. It's gonna be a lot.
Probably to like where the line is.
Because it was still rubbing when I was like on stock height. Taking a break, eating a burger, but as you guys can see, this is why I'm a little nervous when it comes to this car, because for me this looks like a lot of work, but maybe to the painter he knows what he's doing, you know? So there's obviously a lot of work still to be done. So we would have to cut up higher on the fender here, just because if I go any lower, that's gonna definitely rub, and I don't want the tire getting any sorts of cuts in them or anything like that. This is one of my biggest worries, is the fitment. So my bumper hasn't fit correctly for a while now. So I want to see what the painter is able to do with this to where I can easily access the bumper, remove it when I need to remove it, and just see what he does with these holes. As far as when Diego got his holes switched, he did weld a piece of metal to the rear of it, and then he filled it in with Bondo. So that's hopefully what's gonna happen with the holes on the side here. But as you can see, we got the mirrors all unwrapped, we got the roof unwrapped. I just wanted to make the job a lot easier for the guy to do it, just because the flares already are gonna be just a pain in the ass to fit them correctly, fix all this up, because it's just such a bad job done from the previous guy that it just looks like a nightmare right now. There's a final look, guys. That's how it's going into paint. Hopefully everything goes well. I guess you can just hope at this point. I trust this guy, so we're just gonna have to see. I'm excited though. I'm excited for that new color and to have the flares on the right way this time. It's gonna be sick. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure you leave a comment down below. It looks pretty bad right now, but as soon as it comes back from paint, guys, I'm telling you, if all goes well, this car is going to look mint. So we're gonna go ahead and end it here. It's already gonna be a late upload as it is. We got a late start to today, but we'll catch